Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you of how to connect internet from your mobile to your PC or laptop via Hotspot. We will use Hotspot and tethering to provide internet to other devices through our Wi-Fi or mobile data. This is very easy and quick, friends. Just follow me. So now, let's start. First, enable Hotspot on your phone. Go to mobile or phone settings. Find the Hotspot option. Open the Wi-Fi hotspot. Turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot and set up hotspot name and password. Now, open your laptop or computer. Turn on the Wi-Fi. Now you can see your mobile hotspot network. You can now connect to your mobile hotspot. Enter your mobile hotspot password. Now, we are connected to our mobile internet. That's it, friends, of how to connect internet from your mobile to your PC or laptop via Hotspot.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.